Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in the Chick-fil-A line because today we're gonna do a little mukbang and just kind of like an update on my life, what I'm gonna be doing YouTube-wise, career-wise, college-wise, what I've been up to, and just some topics that I want to talk about because, you know, I've been MIA for the past 2 months. I also did some shopping, so I'm going to talk about that. We're going to talk. And right now I'm messing with my necklaces, but, you know, we will do a little update. I haven't ordered yet, but I wanted to quickly do the intro because I'm in the line already. Anyways, but I'm going to get like a salad or something. I want to see what salads they have because I don't want to, you know, it's summertime. Homegirls got to stay snatched and skinny. So, we switched angles, but I'm letting the car. So, I got a salad and a water, because I'm skinny, because I'm a skinny queen. I got a water and a salad, because y'all thought, I think I've ate like a salad from Chick-fil-A like one time. But I got a salad like a skinty little. Y'all seen that TikTok? Here, I'm gonna show it right now. I'm feeling a little fragile.
I'm feeling just a little bit frail. Haven't been eating that much, so I don't know if I look like scary.
A little feathery. I don't really want this. And I chose the avocado lime ranch as my dressing. Oh, it fell. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to talk and film as much before it's gonna tell me the camera gets up. Because last time, it did that. But, we're gonna open up my salad. I'm super excited. It's kind of full. They gave me an egg. Tastes like nothing. But feeling a little frail. And I just have the little grilled chicken bites, but that's fine. And I'm really not a big dressing person either. I'm gonna mix it up like a Kardashian. Enough for right now. If I need to add more, I will. But let's devour. But anyways, like I said, I was gonna give you guys an update, kind of an excuse why I've been gone lately. Okay, that should be a good little thumbnail. But anyways, I've been real busy with work and school. Well, during the time, I've been off of school for 2 weeks. Kind of giving myself a break, a breather. But with that being said, you know, I kind of have a little bit more time since it's summer to film more videos, and that's what I want to do. And you guys know that I really love making content, but it's just really hard because I just don't be having the time. Flop. But yeah, like it's very hard because I'm very busy a lot. But I have an update on my life. So I guess in the last mukbang, I said I was in between going to dental school or nursing school. So I put some really good thought to it because I was gonna go to Ole Miss. Y'all seen that I did a whole Ole Miss vlog, whatever. And I honestly would love to go to Ole Miss still. But just things change, and I realized that I think I only wanted to go to have fun. That was the main reason. And doesn't everybody? And it's not like I'm rich, I'm a millionaire, that I can just go to school and have fun and like not worry about. See the temperatures. See, it's getting hot. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to do it this way. I decided to do the smarter and reasonable decision and go to nursing school. Go to community college nursing school. Obviously, you guys know that I have a community college in my city, so I can go to school there. And I'm only basically paying tuition and whatever the heck else. It's a smarter decision. And I decided I want to move to Houston, and I also want to travel. And the biggest thing is I won't be in student debt. Another thing is that it gives me more time to work on my real estate license. If you guys didn't know, I've been working on this real estate thing for like a long time. Quote unquote flop clown, actually. I've just been so busy. I'm not sure what the last thing I filmed was, but yeah. I want to move to Houston, and I don't want to be in debt either. And y'all know I love to spend the bag. And I make really good money. And, like I said, it will give me a lot of time and just to work on getting my license without feeling rushed. Without feeling like can't really do anything because I'm not in the area. So yeah, I'll be here for like another 2 years. So that gives it a lot of time. I get to save money. I still will work. Just a lot of all of the above. Just a lot of pros, all that. But yeah. I don't know what the last thing y'all heard was, but there's just a lot of pros to me staying home. Like I said, I was working on my real estate license, and I'm gonna go into that process again of being smart because I can do a lot, and if worse comes to show and I want to drop out of school, I can be a real estate agent. But I just haven't been on the ball lately. I've been a little flop. But yeah, there's a little corn on here. I'm half skinny because there's fried chicken on here. She did her big one. But yeah, update. I'm staying home. I'm gonna be rich. And also gonna do YouTube. Period. But yeah. And I want to start doing YouTube again. It's just kind of hard because time. And I don't want to make it sound like an excuse or anything, but I really do have lack of time. But I'm trying to do the best that I can do. This part is so good. Blowing up my phone. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm eating though out of this salad. I also, okay, so back to like a regular angle. I also lost like 25 pounds, 20, 30, whatever that spectrum of number pounds. Cause I've been, well, for the past like 2 weeks I haven't been, cause I've just been like super tired and like dead. But for the past 6 months I have been on the grind and I've lost like basically 30 pounds. Cause I've been working out and eating, calorie deficit, whatever. I'll show you before and after. This was me like basically in May, and this is me now. You can definitely see a difference. And I don't want to like sound like bragging or anything, but I really have been working hard, and now I like want to lose more weight. Like I really want to be like a really nice skinty twink. But yeah. Also that, like I said, I want to work on my real estate license. You know, whatever. But I've also been saving money. While I just spent like $200. Anyways, but yeah, I also just want to. I also want to get back into like social media and keep doing all that, and trying to be more consistent. And whilst I start nursing school, I'll definitely have a little bit more time on the side to do it. But I want to keep doing it. Because, you know, I want to grow my channel and I want to start making that bank for a real one. Because bitch, I ain't finna be broke. Chat, I just like my husband. That's a different story for another day. Anyways, but I'm trying to find like more ideas that I can film and stuff. But obviously like a mukbang is like super easy to film. And I don't even know how long this video gonna be. But yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna stay home. That moving out content would have been good for a real one. Oh, she's so ugly. Oh. I didn't mean to say that, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, that moving out content would have been real good. Here's my salad. I'm kind of full now. So I'll definitely eat some later. But yeah. I still got so much more to do, y'all. Oh my god. I did not know it had the holes. I did not know it had holes. I think I'm gonna have to hold the camera like this because it keeps overheating. Girl, it's not even hot outside. And I parked under a tree and it's still not working. But anyways, this is what I have left from the salad. She was definitely good and I definitely enjoyed her. But I'm like kind of full now. And we're gonna be fragile and skinny and drink water. Y'all like my necklaces? They're from Avery Jewels. Especially this one they're from Avery Jewels. It's a good cute little stack that I have. But I'm also filming a vlog, so if you see the same outfit, don't ask questions. But yeah, I just want to work more on YouTube. So you're probably gonna see me more. Trust me, I want to get back on the grind. I also quit vaping. Fun fact, I quit vaping just because it was affecting me and my like not mental health, but like mentality just way too much. And I was like, I can't do this anymore. But yeah, we need to get back into it. There's like still so much I have to do today, but yeah. Yeah, but I did a little update with you guys. I might try to do another mukbang with Emily, like probably next week, but I'm gonna film more videos, so hope you guys are excited for that. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for more stuff. I wish I was like eating more food. I wish I would like. I also failed college algebra. It's fine though. And I'm taking 2 classes in the summer, but it's totally fine. I don't start them till like next month though, so that's fun. Gives me a good little month to like breathe and stuff. Because I'm ready to get done with school. I'm getting my associates in nursing. I'm getting my associates in nursing. And I will get my BSN like right after, so that way I can travel. But you have to, in order to travel, you need 2 years of experience. So during that time, it takes like a year to get your bachelor's. So during that time, I either want to move to Houston or travel. I'm not sure which one. It all depends how my life goes. You know, life can change. All depends on my husband. This friggin' thing is gonna heat up. It all depends what my husband wanna do. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm joking. Say psych right now. I'm gonna end the video off here. It probably was a short video too, but I'm just here blabbing in my mouth. Also, do y'all like my new stack? I got Newton bracelets. I have a lot of things that I need to update on y'all. But yeah, I was enjoying my food or whatever. But I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. We'll see how, if this video even comes out, because it's really short. But it's fine, and we're gonna upload and post more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you made it to the video, comment Clover for my fan cleave. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Deuces.